Hello there. I thought it was time we had a chat. The kind of chat where you probably stop watching and leave. That's okay. You've got things to do. Thanks for stopping by. If you're still here, great. How's life? How's cooking? I hope you're getting amongst it still. I'm great. Thanks for thinking of me. And I've been busy for the last few years, which is probably what you've been too. Everyone seems to be busy. It's probably a good thing. And that's why I want to have a chat, because I'm coming back to YouTube. Maybe that matters. It probably doesn't. But things have changed. I've changed. Maybe you've changed. I hope you've changed. I hope it's been good. I hope it's been tough and it's been worth it. The point is, I want to make different content. I love making cooking videos. I still make a lot of cooking content in my stories on Instagram. I just don't know if recipes and all that kind of jazz is really my jam. Found myself coming back to this idea, a goal, maybe a vision, if you're into that kind of thing. But the gist is creating a life that I don't need a holiday from. And don't get me wrong, I love holidays, I love travel, but most of my life isn't doing either of those things. So my question is, what would my life look like if I tried to improve little pieces of it every month, for example, consistently? What would my life look like if I improved it by 1% consistently for as long as possible? Obviously, I've got actually no idea what my life could look like if I tried to improve it consistently, but I'd like to find out. And that's what the channel's going to be about from now on. I'm going to release one video a month, focusing on an improvement project. It could be anything. It could be terrible, honestly. It really could. But it could be fun. It could be interesting. So yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in doing as well, then maybe this channel's for you. Maybe these projects will be interesting and useful to you as much as they're going to be interesting and useful to me. The first video, the first improvement video, is actually going to be cooking related, and it's around the question that I asked myself: how can I feed my family on a budget easily every week without repeating the same old recipes? And I don't know if I have the answer, but I have a plan, and I'm testing that plan this month. If you're interested in the answer or the results or the disaster, I'd love to see you in the next video coming out in July. Until then, I hope you have a great day, aim up, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.